Good morning and welcome to Going to Work with Gena, which is an Inspiremercial for STEM students. This morning I want to talk about another type of industrial engineer, which is the reliability engineer. Reliability is really the combination of quality, engineering, and statistics. But what does it mean to be reliable? To be reliable means that you are doing what is intended of you to do for a specified time and a specified environment. So let's say, for instance, when you are going to school every day, your parents are expecting you to be at school for the time frame that you're supposed to be in school, and they are expecting for you to make sure that you're doing the work that you should be doing. When you are not in school or in a certain class when you're supposed to, data is taken, attendance data is taken, and that gives statistics. So in the end, your parents can find out whether or not they can rely on you, whether or not you are reliable in doing what you should be doing. So the same thing here is for a reliability engineer. A reliability engineer look at the intended use of a system from a hardware, software, and human standpoint for a specified time frame in a specified environment. They want to make sure that the effectiveness of the system is holding up. And if it isn't holding up, then that's when they would actually try to understand the system and put redundancy into the system so the system can be effective. So if something happens, it won't shut down the whole entire system. It will actually fall back on the redundant part of the system so that the entire system can keep going. And so that's how it is, especially when we have spacecraft. We have to make sure that we actually put in those redundant systems so we can prevent failure that can happen at any point that can be caused by another system. So every system has to have that built-in reliability. So another thing, when you look at reliability, you're looking at the non-conformances that a quality engineer have gathered, and that's what you're actually tracking, and you're putting statistics on it, and you're actually will be able to do some process improvement. You will be able to work with safety and mission assurance and the discipline engineer on that particular system to try to work with them to make sure that they put maneuvers in that will make that system more reliable. So reliability is what we do. It's in all of our lives. We're all being relied on for some type of thing. So I want to thank you for going to work with Gena this morning, and have a marvelous day.